Yoga poses to increase height. If you are taking any medications or have any kind of health problems, it is always recommended to talk to a doctor before practicing the below-mentioned yoga poses to increase height. 1. Standing forward bend. If your upper body is comparatively shorter than your lower body, it is necessary to practice standing forward bend pose regularly. This yoga pose works on each and every part of your body starting from head to toe. Therefore, standing forward bend helps to increase your height. 2. Tadasana, mountain pose. Yoga poses to increase height. Tadasana. Tadasana is an ideal yoga posture that will help you grow taller. Method: stand upright and keep your feet slightly apart. Balance your body weight equally on both feet. Breathe in and raise your arms above the head. Interlock all your fingers with palms facing upward. Raise your shoulders. Exhale and roll them back down your spine. Open your chest, straighten your posture and relax. Come back to your initial position. Other benefits of Tadasana: strengthens your thighs, buttocks, and leg muscles, improves posture, improves concentration, reduces flat feet. 3. Ustrasana, camel pose. Yoga poses to increase height. Ustrasana, camel pose. Camel pose or Ustrasana is one of the best yoga poses to increase height as it improves the flexibility and strength of your body. Method: kneel down and keep your hands on the hips. Ensure that your knees and shoulders are on the same line. Inhale and bend back slowly. Exhale. Hold your left heel with your left hand and right heel with your right hand. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Slowly come back to your initial position. While doing this yoga pose, don't put a strain on your neck. Other benefits of Ustrasana: improves cardiovascular system, prevents constipation, improves body posture, strengthens your spine, reduces stress, reduces neck stiffness. 4. Chakrasana, wheel pose. Chakrasana, wheel pose. Effective yoga poses to increase height. Method: lie down on your back, bend your knees and place your feet firmly on the ground. Reverse your palms and place it under your shoulders in such a way that the fingers are pointing forward. Inhale and press your palms and feet into the ground for support. Lift up your pelvis by straightening both your arms and legs. Place the top of your head down and slowly lift your body so as to form an arch. Let your head fall gently behind and keep your neck relaxed. Make sure to distribute the body weight equally between your four limbs. Relax and come back to your initial position. Other benefits of Chakrasana: enhances blood circulation, sharpens eyesight, strengthens your spine, tones reproductive organs, good for infertility and osteoporosis. 5. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Effective yoga poses to increase height. Method: stand straight and keep your arms by the side of your body. Bend your right knee and put your right foot over your left thigh. While doing this, make sure that your left leg is straight. Maintain a steady balance by gazing at a distant object and take a deep breath. Raise your arms over your head and bring your palms together in the hands folded position. Namaste Mudra. Keep your spine straight and take in long deep breaths. Relax your body with each exhalation. Exhale and slowly bring down your hands. Gently release the right leg. Go back to your initial position. Repeat the same with your left leg off the ground on your right thigh. Other benefits of Vrikshasana: strengthens the ligaments and tendons of your feet, improve neuromuscular coordination, strengthens your hips and pelvic region, reduce the risk of sciatica, tones leg muscles. It is always recommended to do yoga under the guidance of a yoga practitioner. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.